Today's word is sour grapes. It means idiom, pretending to dislike something one cannot have, or criticizing it as undesirable after being disappointed. Here are two examples using this word. After he didn't get the promotion, he said he didn't want the extra responsibility anyway. A clear case of sour grapes. She called the concert overrated, but that's just sour grapes because she couldn't get a ticket. Some synonyms and antonyms to help you understand the word better. Synonyms are resentment, spite, pretense. Antonyms are graciousness, acceptance, congratulations. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like this video, and hit the bell icon for more daily vocabulary words.